I have a square D panel qoc30mw225. What breaker do I need to replace a 20 amp?
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
Just today.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
The breaker shows red and won't shut off.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
It's for some of the basement fluorescent lights.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will be happy to assist you with your electrical question. Please be patient as it takes time to type and provide links. Also note that the website may be sending you a telephone offer. The offer is not originating from me. 1. You mean the breaker won't turn back to the on position since it is tripped? 2. What else is on the circuit besides the lighting? Any other loads or receptacles? If only lighting, temporarily turn the wall switches to the off position and see if the breaker will restore. 3. The breaker is a square D QO type, 20 amp.
As far as I've found, it seems to only be the ceiling lights that don't work. The wall receptacles seem okay. The breaker shows red and the knob is on, but it won't stay in the off position.
Thanks for the replies. 1. The breaker has tripped since it is in the red position. Remove the door from the electrical panel. Locate the breaker and remove the hot wire. Rest the breaker. Does it still trip or does the red color go away?
With the breaker completely removed, it won't reset. Thus, I think I have a bad breaker.
1. Very possible. When a breaker is removed from the panel hot bus bars, the handle tie should be able to turn on/off. 2. Locate another known working 20 amp breaker in the panel and remove that hot wire. Then move the hot wire from the suspected bad breaker to the other breaker to make sure the circuit/lights are working correctly. Let me know if the circuit works. 1. When you remove the suspected bad breaker, were there any indications of burnt or melting marks at the breaker jaws or at the hot bus bar stab? 1. If the breaker handle tie will not move on/off when deinstalled from the panel, you need a replacement breaker of the same type and amperage. If you have any additional questions, just let me know and I'll be glad to answer them for you. Otherwise, don't forget to rate me before you log off. Thanks. Kevin. Does that help to answer your question? Thank you for the positive service rating. Much appreciated. If you have any other questions, just let me know. Take care and have a great day. Thanks again. Kevin.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.